Welcome to Bookit. Bookit is an online facility usage scheduling tool allowing school board staff, community organizations, parental groups, and individual citizens access to school space. Some key benefits include automated scheduling of support staff for bookings. Centrally managed facility schedules reduce administrative costs and provides enterprise-level availability to facility staff and the public. Rich reporting features ensures Ministry of Education compliance through EFIS and an actual usage cost report to justify rental rates. The system has the ability to define an unlimited number of user roles. By default, the system has 5 roles: System Administrator, System Board Approver, School Administrator, School Board Employee, and Recreational Citizen. Bookit provides user groups, allowing heightened user interactivity and notifications. As a member of a user group, you will receive event status changes made by any member of your group. Frank will now click the Login button. Once logged in, Frank is presented with his personal dashboard. On the right-hand side, Frank can see his upcoming bookings listed in chronological order. Today, Frank wants to make a new booking. He will click the New Booking button at the start of his dashboard. Frank would like to book the next season of games at Saunders Secondary School for a girls' basketball team he coaches. He would like a gymnasium with basketballs. The first game of the season is on Thursday, February 25th. Frank will search for availability by clicking the search button. Frank would like a 6 p.m. start time, but Gymnasium number 1 is booked. Great! Gymnasium 2, 3, and 4 are available on Thursday. Let's select Gymnasium 2 and see the details. Frank requires a scoreboard and seating for spectators. Frank likes what he sees and clicks the Book It button. Because Frank wants to book the whole season, we will select the reoccurring booking option. The game will be held weekly, on Thursdays, until April 18th. Frank can now add the schedule by clicking Add Dates. Frank is booked every Thursday for 8 weeks. Bookit has identified 2 scheduling conflicts. The 2nd and the 5th week are not available for 6 p.m. One of the most powerful features in Bookit is the ability to schedule entire seasons and resolve recurring date conflicts. Bookit's intuitive interface allows the user to easily correct scheduling conflicts. Frank notices that 7 p.m. is available and selects it to resolve a scheduling conflict. To resolve the scheduling conflict on week 5, you will have to choose a different day. Frank checks to see if there is anything available on Wednesday. Bookit has removed the scheduling conflict because 6 p.m. is available on Wednesday. Great! He can now click the Next button and proceed to step number 2. Step number 2 allows Frank to fill in the details of his booking. Bookit is dynamic and will change the view based on the room type he previously selected. The purpose of Frank's rental is recreational women's basketball. There are 12 players on both teams, so the number of participants will be 24. The number of spectators is usually around 50 people at Frank's games. To keep the participants and spectators comfortable, Frank will specify yes to air conditioning. The system remembers that we specified basketballs in the search criteria and has automatically selected it for us. Frank requires access to 25 basketballs. Frank has completed all the required details and can click Next to proceed to Step 3. Step 3 allows Frank to decide if he will use his own insurance or the facility that owns the gymnasium's insurance coverage. Step number 4 provides Frank with a summary of the details specified in Steps 1, 2, and 3. He will now complete his booking request by confirming the details, and clicking the Submit button.